Today on Gear Check, we are looking at a device that will help you from being charged with a civil violation and fined up to $500. Stay tuned, everyone. As a pro Second Amendment attorney and firearms instructor for over 15 years, I set off on a journey to combine my competition shooting knowledge, instructor experience, and legal background with a practical application to the firearm laws. I'm using my unique background to help you and your family make informed decisions to keep you safe on the range, on the street, and in the courtroom. Hello everyone, this is Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law, PLLC, and today we are looking at Michigan state law that makes it a civil violation finable up to $500 in costs if your firearm gets stolen and you fail to report that theft. This is MCL 28.430, and the law is stating that you as the individual have up to 5 days to report a stolen firearm within the jurisdiction that you believe it was stolen from. That means that you're reporting it to that local law enforcement agency. Now, if you fail to report as such within that 5-day time frame, you can be charged with a civil violation and fined up to $500. Now, a common question that may be asked, when does that 5-day period start? And the 5 days starts when you realize that that firearm has been stolen. So it's not the actual date, which would be maybe a little bit difficult to prove, but it's from the time that you realize that that firearm has been stolen. You have 5 days to report that to the local law enforcement agency. Now, what is the item that we are looking at today that will help prevent your firearm from being stolen? Something very simple, something many of you may already have or have seen. It comes with a cable lock like this, and it is a lockbox such as this one here. This is very simple to use and it's very inexpensive. It shouldn't be used for long-term storage by any means, but if you're running into one of Michigan's gun-free zones or concealed carry-free zones, such as a hospital, or such as that, you can secure your firearm before entering into one of those zones. And for the most part, this is going to aid you in preventing someone from, breaking out a window in your car and stealing your gun out of the glove box. Okay, so a box like this, most of them have some sort of foam pad on the inside. This is to put your firearm in there as such, and when you go to close the box, you want to make sure, number one, if you're using it in your vehicle or you have this in your home for temporary, you're locking it down temporarily, you want to loop the cable around maybe like the seat post or the something secure in your vehicle that's sturdy, like a seat bracket or something like that that's bolted down to the frame. So you'll lock your firearm in there, and then make sure as you're putting the cable lock in, there's usually a designated spot if it's one set up like this, or I've seen some of them where the cable actually goes around the stud of the box here, and then when you close it down, the cable is secure on the inside there of the box so that no one can take and walk off with just the box. So these are typically anywhere from $35 to up to $50 to $60 depending on the model you're getting. Something relatively inexpensive compared to, number one, replacing a stolen firearm, which can cost you hundreds of dollars, and on top of that, if you don't report that stolen firearm, it may cost you up to $500 worth in civil fines. So that is your gear check for today. I hope this video finds you well. What I'd like you to do before you go is the type of box that maybe you are using in your car or the brand that you have, go ahead, drop it in the comments below. That helps people find our videos. And for the rest of you guys, please show your support for the Second Amendment by hitting that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll have more videos like this coming out in the near future. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.